Welcome to Lone Wolf Capital Trade and Grow with Me playlist. For the week ending 19th of July 2026, we'll go through trades that we close and open and analyze the market. Also, I want to use this to let us know that I couldn't, due to my job constraints, I couldn't do the video for last week. So for this week, we'll take along the trades that I closed for last week and the trades that opened as well last week. So let's kick off for the week. We'll start with trades that we closed from the previous week. So I'll start with Meta, that is Facebook, Meta Platforms Inc. So from our signal, we closed this trade at a loss of minus $27.15. Followed by Synopsys. Synopsys is all this semiconductor stocks as well as cheap stocks. Sorry. So I closed this with a margin profit of $12.42. Just scraped off some profit there before markets didn't go away. Then I also closed trade on Plug Power with a loss of minus $23.50. Likewise, Space, which is a Virgin ticker symbol SPCE, which is a Virgin Galactic Holdings, the loss of minus $31.20. Followed by Generac with the ticker symbol GNRC. This one I closed it with a huge profit, which is one of the trades that opened, the short trades that opened earlier this year. Fortunately, due to some issues, some profit taking concerning the AI sectors, so utility companies had to, like, most of the trades concerning utility were closed, so my signals were triggered and I had to take profit. We took profit of $218.57. It's just barely to cover some of the losses I've made so far. Those 5 trades were trades that I closed for the previous week. So for this week, we closed trades that we closed with KKR. Ticker symbol KKR is a kind of investing company located in the US. So these two, I took a marginal profit of $12.10. Followed by Palantir. I took these trades prematurely, though I placed it was a short trade, but due to the index trying to show some recovery, I thought it's not worth the risk to take, so I closed this trade with a profit of $2.29. And also a marginal loss of for First Solar Inc., ticker symbol FSLR, a marginal loss of minus 58 cents. Then Herbalife, this trade had some promising upwards direction, but due to some shaky profit taking last week, we just had a slight loss of minus $14.40 loss. Then lastly is Mara Holdings, ticker symbol AARA. This, I'm surprised with this, though it's not surprising. Mara originally is a crypto company, mining company, that is Bitcoin mining company, but due to some downtime in the crypto, they had to pitch to AI. So most of their equipments were channeled for AI. So as AI stocks crashed last week, it also fell as well, even though it showed promising signs of going up, as crypto itself has found a base now. It's about to tick upwards. So that's one of those losses as well. So all in all, uh, those are for the trades that I closed. So we'll go to the action part, which are trades that were opened both from last week to this week. So first trade that was opened last week is ticker symbol AKAM, which is Akamia Technologies. So last week, as you can see from here where I'm pointing at, gave us a buy signal to go long. So went long last week for this stock, and though due to the downturn for last week, market is still shaky. It's on a shaky ground, but we'll watch out and see. So I entered this trade with a lot size of 1.6. And next is Robinhood, yeah. This, as you know, I don't need to explain what Robinhood is. It's a stock that is a brokerage firm. It deals in both traditional brokerage and also crypto as well. So it gave me a buy signal last week opening of with a lot size of 1.6 lots. Also, it's also on a shaky ground as well, but does not give me any signal to close the trade yet, so we'll leave it open. Next is Nvidia. Opening of last week, that's closing of last week, it gave me a long trade, a buy position to enter, and this ended with a lot size of 1.9. so the trade is still open, and we'll see how far we get with it. And also that last week too, I opened a trade with the Cadence Systems, ticker symbol CDNS, with a lot size of 1.2. So fortunately, this is one of the major casualties of the crash of last week. So it's a major component of the AI trade. So it had a hefty sell-off. By the opening of the trades this Monday, I will have to close this trade. I had to leave it for some time because it didn't give before the closing bell. It did not have a clear signal. But since the market has closed, it came with a proper signal. I can see that the closing price was below our support band, then marginally closed below the buy side of the SMA. So the SMA is indicating sell at the close of last week Friday. So by the opening bell, I should close this trade and record it in my document as well. So these are the trades I opened last week, and unfortunately CDNS is also part of the trades I will close at the opening bell of this week, as the trade didn't go as planned. Then for this week closing, I had two positions that were opened. First is VF Corporation with the ticker symbol VFC. So this gave me a buy signal with a lot size of 17.6. So this is a long trade. That's why I'm expecting that the price will go up, and based on the price dynamics, it's giving a very good opening position for this stock to rise if it performs very well, if the markets become stable. Because this US-Iran war, Trump issues is just giving the market a lot of uncertainty, and markets don't like uncertainty. If there's uncertainty, the market is very bearish and unstable. So that's for VFC. Then the last for the traditional markets is Enphase Energy. Fortunately, this survived and it still gave me, based on my criteria, it's still giving me a buy signal. Though, like I said, utility companies were heavily affected from this AI trades. As you can see, energy is an issue concerning the AI. You know, the communities, especially in US, most companies in US are not happy with the cost of energy, and they believe that the cost of energy is associated with the data centers consuming a lot of energy, so thereby increasing the cost to buy energy, and which is also affecting the populace as well in some areas. So it's like a backlash, but nevertheless the trend is still open until when it indicates for me to close and maybe probably enter short. So for now, I entered this trade with a lot size of 3.3 lots. So that's for the TradFi. Now, recently, I had there's a buy signal that indicated for Ethereum. So I opened a trade, is a long position I opened for Ethereum. Though Bitcoin hasn't given a buy signal, this is one of the troubling things I have, but I had to just stick with my strategy and trading style of trading. So I've entered the buy position for Ethereum with that's I bought about 0.178 on margin, on perpetual margin. So hopefully if the price goes up, we make profit. But if the price tends to close below if it gives me a sell signal, I have no choice than to close, because I've kind of mixed my capital. So that's for so those are for the trades that I opened. So we can just go through the market generally. There's still some time. Let's see if we go through most of the markets as well. So from observation, from the price index for the crypto on a general note, you can see from the chart, from the weekly charts, the price is between the resistance and support. And if you go through beginning of this year, you can see that it's still within the base point, the lowest prices are within this year. So you can see it kind of tested the previous low and it's kind of maintaining. So it depends. If the price breaks above this resistance for the total market cap of $2.29 trillion, if it breaks this market cap upwards and also the MACD maintains up, it's a positive indication that the trend could continue. So for now, like it is ahead, which is the first time, because normally Bitcoin usually the alpha usually makes the pace, then the rest will follow. So we don't know, maybe this cycle could be different or it could be a fake out, but nevertheless we'll see how it goes. So that's for the crypto side. Then for the stock side, like Nasdaq index, meaning futures index. So after towards the end of closing bell of last week, the futures market kind of climbed up back, took away some of the losses it had. So now the market has opened and is still somehow stable, but the issue surrounding the conflict between US, Iran and Israel is still open in the air, and there is no proper resolution about it. But nevertheless, it seems like these investors are still, the smart money is still upbeat about the US economy, especially after last week that the PPI and CPI when the price index for the producer also dropped as well. So probably the market is still hanging on, but this conflict with Iran, if it left to linger for too long, it can pose a negative side for the markets, and markets can be highly unpredictable. And once there's uncertainty in the market, prices usually crash. but nevertheless we just follow the price, the technical analysis, what is telling us, instead of just sentiment as well. So same way is reflecting in S&P 500 index as well. You can see it's between the resistance and support and still maintaining. Don't know how this week will go about, but from all indications from S&P, there's probably still high chance that the market can still have a drawdown. So we'll see how things go. And our trade concerning wheat commodities, that's wheat and soybean, you can see it's affecting, this thing is affecting, and prices of commodities that started creeping up back. So the trade that enters for this is also performing well. Wheat is going well. Soybean as well, open up higher at the open of this week. So we'll see how it goes for the rest of the week as well. And for metals, that's gold, silver, and the rest, they're also still skittish. Based on my analysis, the short trade is still open, but like I told you guys, I can't enter trades concerning gold and silver due to my capital available. The lowest lot size that's permissible, I can't enter because the amount of capital I can risk cannot meet up with the minimum criteria. Hopefully, if I can be able to raise more profits, more capital, and also make more profits in the future, I can enter most possibly silver. Silver is a little bit cheaper to enter, but for now I still can't enter silver. I see it's still that this white dot dash line is my entry price for short trade concerning silver, but the market is still still dicey. But that is it. That's for the metal side. So that's it for the week.